welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith. If this is your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. All right guys, so today I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing for you guys. I got a wig from Wigs by Beauty Rush on Instagram, and the wig is here now, and I was like, why not just do a video, like, so we can see the wig together. I can try it on and you guys can see it, and you guys can order your own also, so you can be looking good like me. 2020, we cannot be dulling, we have to be looking good, you understand? Okay. Oh my god. So yes guys, so I do have the wig right here. Wigs are good, really good, very affordable. First thing first, I'm gonna quickly do a very quick makeup, just so it can go with my wig. I cannot be carrying a bare face with a fine wig, you understand? So I have to do my makeup, then wear the wig, so everything can just blend in. So I'm about to quickly do a very quick makeup, and then we're gonna get into the wig. So I am done with my makeup, so now I'm looking right, so I'm looking a little bit better than I was looking before, so let's get into our wig unboxing guys. So yes, so first thing first, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the wig. Ooh, okay, I have so many goodies. Okay, all right, and also I ordered a hairband, and I'm gonna open this for you guys to see how it looks. So I ordered this beautiful hairband from her. So cute guys, love it. I can't wait to use it. So all right, so let's get to the main thing. Actually, before we do that, she also put in a wig cap for me. Who do you know who put a free wig cap for you? Who? Okay, that's what I thought. So she put a wig cap for me, really nice and thoughtful. And she also put a thank you note, guys. How cute! That's so nice and thoughtful for them to put a card inside the box, you know. So nice. And then this is the wig. Like, the packaging, guys, is just so cute. Like, so freaking cute. The packaging is everything. I'm so excited to open the bag already, guys. So let's dig in like it's food. Let's open it and see. Okay. And she also put in a band for me, guys. Like, come on now, customer service on is like an A. They put in a band. I already threw one on the floor, but yes, guys, so it has the band you can attach to your wig. So nice of her, really like that. And then this is the wig, guys. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. This is it, guys. Wig, and it comes like this. This is inside of it right there, guys. This wig, this camera is not even doing justice to how good this wig looks, guys. So soft, like, oh, it's good. All right. And she also has a care a hair care tip. So basically it has a note on how to take care of your hair. Like, come on, guys, like, my girl, you are doing your thing, okay? So nice. Like, come on, who will put a care note for you? Who? Tell me. This hair is just so nice. All right, so, and guys, because I'm not really good at cutting my own lace front, she actually went ahead to cut my lace front for me, guys. Like, who do you know will cut your lace front for you? She even can't put baby hair safe, even put my baby hair. Girl, let's just go ahead and start installing this wig, guys. I'm just basically cleaning the front of my hair for any makeup, and I'm using a makeup remover, guys, to take that out. I can't wait. I just cannot wait to wear this hair. I just know it's gonna look so good on me, so I really cannot wait to wear my hair. Guys, come on, like, come on, guys, this wig is giving me life. Oh God, I'm telling you, this camera is just not doing justice to how good this hair really is, guys. Like, come on now, come on now. I'm about to lay it down. And I haven't even laid the hair down, and it's already looking so nice. So if I lay this hair down and do everything, like, who is this? Who is this? Okay, now, who is this? So I'm basically gonna lay it down and put it to the back. Bring some of them right here, guys. I haven't even done anything to the hair. I have not done anything to the hair, and just look at how good it is already. Like, look at how good this hair is. And this is like a summer hair, guys. You guys know it's really hot outside right now, very hot outside. So this is like a, just put it on and you are gone, because that's what I got it. That's why I got the hair too, because it's short. It's like a very easy hair to wear, you know. It's really hot outside. You can just throw it on and you are good to go. So let's just go ahead then. I don't know if I want, you can do it anyhow you want, guys. So basically you can keep the hair in the front, the middle, or you can put it like this and just put here. But I think I'm going to put mine like really to the side. That's how I want it to be styled. I think it's gonna be cute. Then I put here down, then, you know, make here. Let's get into this. Let's just let's just get into this, guys. Let's do it. No need for too much talking. Let's just get into it. So I'm going to be using my Got2b gel. So I'm not really good at doing edges, but I am going to attempt to do my edges today. I'm going to be using this styling mousse for that. I'm just going to use that to put on the hair, and I'll try to do my edges, guys. Let's see how that will go and how that will turn out, guys. And spray the hair. Just basically using water to spray the hair, guys. Alright, guys, so this is the final look, guys. This hair, I don't even know the word to use. This hair is like really nice, guys. It's so soft, and she really made it easy for me to install it, because I'm not good in installing wig that much, but she made it so easy for me to do. I just love the hair, like just something different for the summer, you know, looking like a fine babe. So, and you can bring this out if you want. So I just wanted to like slick it in there, just like it better this way. So yes, guys, I'm feeling myself. I'm loving this hair, and you guys definitely check her out. I am going to leave everything, her information and everything on the description box. Can't talk no more. I'm gonna leave everything on the description box, so you guys definitely check her out. Her hair, like I said, really good quality and very affordable, guys. This hair is just so cute. Like, I can't even stop touching it. Like, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Guys, I love the hair so much. It is so cute. Like, the hair is just so nice, and I just love it. Love it. Love me, love me. La 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 la. You know, when you get a new hair, you just be happy. Your body will just be sweeting you. That's how my body is sweeting me right now, guys, because I'm loving this hair. The hair is so nice. Like, oh, the back, the side, so cute, guys. I just feeling myself. Okay. So guys, definitely check her out. Thank you guys so very much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video. So make sure you do that, okay? Thank you. So yes, like, subscribe, comment on whatever you guys want to see on my channel. I am definitely going to do it. Like always, stay beautiful and stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.